Hi everybody, this is Mr. Collar. This is the lesson for October 13th and October 14th. Alright, if you go to our Canvas page, and you go down to Language Arts Modules, here is what you need for today's class. Today's class is two things on Canvas: slides, and then your assignment. Slides look like this. And the assignment is basically you write 15 to 30 minutes in your journal based on some prompts that I tell you. So this class starts with me talking about what a memoir is. So for the next 6 weeks or so, we're going to be writing a memoir. And the important thing to know is that a memoir is a retelling of a memory and its significance. So you are going to be writing a memoir. We're going to start bit by bit and we'll build it together. But in the end of this unit, you'll have a piece of writing that'll be about 1 page long that will be focused on one important memory from your life and then explaining why it's important. Now, the next couple slides on here show you examples from my life and then some non-examples. So for my example, like my small moment that I would write from my memory is seeing this band in 2003 and then going back with my buddies and being inspired about them. So the one small moment was seeing the band, and then the bigger meaning is how artists inspire each other. I walk you through the examples here. My thinking is in red. We talk about memoirs or not. So here are 4 examples. 1 and 3 are memoirs because they talk about a memory and then explain why it's important. 2 and 4 are not memoirs because there are too many memories, and I don't explain why they're important. So, if you want to think of it in terms of small moments, bigger meanings, that's a good way to think about it. Here's some examples for that. And then in class, I'm going to read you the example, Bronson Koenig, the former UW basketball player, his memoir and his writing. So I read through that in class. The link is here. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to read it out loud because I'll have to post 2 videos then. Then we just talked about what is Bronson's bigger moment or small moment, and then what is the bigger meaning. And then for your assignment, what I really want you to do is write for 15 to 30 minutes. If that comes out to 5 to 10 small moments, amazing. But because we're all in different places with our language arts skills, writing for 15 to 30 minutes gives everyone that ability to flex for that long, no matter how good you are at writing or how much you need to work on it. So basically, you write for 15 to 30 minutes, and you're going to try to come up with it with small moments like I did and like Bronson Koenig did. And then eventually we'll take those and we will turn them into bigger meanings. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email and ask them, and then we'll go from there. Once again, thank you.